Last throw. Wala. Good. Rebound by Makarek to Machoka. Machoka din. Good.
Shot. Persado.
Year ball. Pero. Maraon. Six the ball. Looking for opening. Maraon. To Sanchez. Sanchez. Attack. Yes. 2 points by Sanchez. Lucero winning the ball. Oh, still by Chico. Oh, pass to Machoka. Machoka then. Good ball. 2 points by Machoka. Lumalakas si Machoka ngayon. Machoka. Nihingal si Machoka. Lobo. Number 19. Pass to Sanchez.
10 seconds shot up.
Sanchez. Attempt. No good. Rebound by Makarek.
Pagod na si Sanchez.
Makarek to Buding. Buding. Buding pass. Oh, still by, inbound again by
10 seconds shot up.
Buding. To Makarek. Makarek attempts. Yes, 2 points by Makarek. 2 points. The score is 7 against 2.
Wala si... Hindi na
Chico dribbling the ball. Number 5.
10 seconds shot up.
Lobo.
5 seconds shot up.
Oh, foul. Machoka, number 25. First personal foul. Buting, drive. Yes, 2 points. By Buting.
Tatambahan na to, wala na.
Score 9 against 2 in favor of Sulaiman.
Lima lang sila. Kadyan, mula kang ka-perla-per din. Lima lang sila.
Maraon, pass to Lobo.
Anim? Pagtapat lang sa'yo yan.
Lobo, number 19. Oh, still by Buting. Oh, there's a...
10 seconds shot up.
No good. Sanchez. Sanchez again. Good ball. 2 points by Sanchez with
committee.
Sulaiman yan.
Ano muna si Red? Kuha mo muna.
Yung... Oh, referee.
Nakita nyo sa amin? Kaya?
Asan? Bago?
Hindi, yung laban namin.
Remaining time 15 minutes. Back to the ball. Back to the ball.
Yung bata ko, ngayon lang dumating, oh.
Dala sila ng referee sa South. Yes.
Ito ba yan? Matakbo.
Lucero. Lucero receive the ball. Lucero. Pass to Guting. Guting. Guting drive. No good. Rebound by Makarek. Makarek attempt. Good ball. 2 points by Makarek. Makarek. Nanaik. Si Makarek. Score 11-5. Hero of Sulaiman. Chico. Pass to Maraon. To Lobo. Lobo.
10 seconds shot up.
To Hortalisa. Hortalisa. At the middle attempt of rebound by Makarek. Makarek. Pass to Lucero. Lucero. Makarek again. To Guting. Guting. Yes. 2 points by Mr. Guting. Score is 13-5 in favor of Sulimania. Choco sets the ball to Sanchez. Sanchez.
10 seconds shot up.
Rebound by Machoka. To Machoka. Kinuha ang bola ni Gotego. Loose ball.
Naunahan na yung bola.
Fortaleza. To Lobo. Lobo attempt. No good. Rebound by Machoka. To Makarek. Makarek. Tuloy-tuloy.
Di na tumakbo eh.
Rebound by Sanchez. Fortaleza. Fortaleza. Nagantay ng mapapasahan. To Lobo. Lobo.
Namasyal. Tingnan mo na.
Substitution ref. Lobo out. Fortaleza in. Makaraig. Makaraig. To Guting. Guting looking for opening. To Lucero. Lucero.
10 seconds shot clock.
Still by number. Oh. Okay, Guting from the line.
Huwag ka na magbihis, loko.
The score is 13-5 in favor of Sirimanya. Guting. Guting. Pass to Machoka. Machoka then. 2 points by Machoka. Oh, again.
Rindo!
Mr. Rivera, puro din ang bola. Tumakbo ka, isipin mo lang, minapas breakan ka. Hindi, sige lang, ayos lang yan. Isipin mo kung pamas break din sa'yo. Makaraig. Makaraig. Diniretso mo lang, pinasa kay Pablo. Machoka, wala. Machoka again. Machoka. Foul. This foul, right?
Parang nakaringol lang.
Second team foul, Haku. First personal foul, Fortaleza. Machoka on the line. Unang bitaw, tapos. Time remaining 13 minutes and 17 seconds. Wala pa rin. Sanchez. Oh. Save. Lobo number 1. Pass again to Fortaleza. Tinapos. Nakuha mo lagi
Last
si...
10 seconds.
Oh, Chico. Wala. Foul. Post foul. Number 5. Chuko. Chuko.
Rendo.
Second personal foul. Third team foul. Ako. Ibang foul sir.
Yan ka na. Yan, may bula ba, Greg? Greg, may bula ba?
Shooting drive. Oh. Pass to Machoka. To Pablo. Oh, traveling violation by Pablo. Nagkamali ng step si Pablo. Choco to Lobo. Lobo sets the ball. Lobo looking for opening. To Hortaliza. Hortaliza. Back to Lobo. Lobo attempts. Wala. Hortaliza, yes. So 2 points by Hortaliza. Hortaleza. Guting. Sets the ball. Guting. Ahead. Still by Chuito, pass to Hortaleza. Diniretso ang bola. Hortaleza din, wala. Rebound by Makaraig. Makaraig. To Lucero. Lucero to Machoka. Machoka din, 2 points.
Nax.
Sir Machoka.
Nax.
Gumagana. Machoka.
Wang maraming score ito ah.
Al-Swaidy.
Hindi napagod, no?
Binatot. Na itlo. Nahiga pa yan si Machoka.
10 seconds.
Substitution rep, Machoka out.
Rendo.
Tulusa.
Gagsa.
Time remaining 11 minutes and 45 seconds. Lucero. Tulusa. Tulusa.
Pinship ka.
Mr. Tolosa.
Guting.
Substitution rep. Number 5 out. Number 9 in. Ranova in. Number 9. Lobo driving the ball. Looking for pass. Lobo. Pass to Ranova. Ranova. Drive. Wala. Pass to Hortaleza. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Pablo. To Lucero. Lucero. Pagbuting.
Assist yun, assist.
Nakuha ni Golding. Sanchez. 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 Five, no good. Rebound by Lobo. Wala pa rin. Ranoa. Ranoa. To Hortaleza. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Pablo. Pablo. Ranoa. First.
Jacket na.
Substitute.
May wagang jacket.
Lucero out. Dida in. Dida. Sakin ang tang out. Man.